Hello, kids! It's nice to have you again. Today, we are going to talk about the basic needs of animals. What do you think are common among animals? Animals are living things. Like other living things, animals have basic needs. The following are the basic needs of animals. Air. Animals need air. Animals breathe in oxygen in the air and give off carbon dioxide. Plants use this carbon dioxide to make their own food. Food. Animals need food. They need to eat in order to grow. Different types of animals eat different kinds of food. Some animals are plants, meat, and both plant and meat eaters. Water. Animals need water. They use it for drinking. Some animals like fishes, bears, crabs, and turtles live in water or near bodies of water. Other animals like frogs and crocodiles use water to keep their bodies cool after a long stay under the sun. Shelter. Animals also need a place where they can rest and be protected from their enemies and from the heat of the sun. Birds and insects use plant parts to make their shelters. Other animals like snakes, ants, earthworms, rabbits, and beavers dig underground to make dams, burrows, or holes. Pets and farm animals are given shelter by people. Raised pigs stay in a pig pen. Cows, goats, and sheep live in a barn. Different breeds of dogs stay in a kennel. Chickens are raised and live in a co-op. Hamsters as pets are kept in a cage. Pet birds live in a cage too. Animals have their basic needs as well, the same with us humans. It is the initiative of the animals to acquire these needs. Every animal has its own way of making sure its basic needs are met. That's all, and thank you for listening.